In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress theme manually. First, you will need to download and then upload theme in WordPress. If you want specific things for your website, then oftentimes a premium WordPress theme will be better for your website. My favorite place to buy premium themes is from themeforest.net, which is now part of Envato Elements. So I'm just going to go to themeforest.net, and I'm already logged into my account. Then I will just go to Downloads, which shows all of my purchases from ThemeForest. The theme that I will be using for this tutorial is the Voyager theme. The first thing that we'll need to do is download the theme. So just click Download and then choose Installable WordPress Theme Only. This is going to download our theme into a zip file in our Downloads folder on our computer. Okay, so now we have our downloaded WordPress theme. Now we need to log into our WordPress website so that we can upload the theme. So I'm already logged into my website, so I'm just going to go to Appearance and choose Themes. Then click Add New. Then I'm just going to choose Upload Theme. Then it gives me an option to choose a file. So I click that, and then I'm in my Downloads folder, which is where the zip file is. So I'm just going to double click on the zip file for the theme. Okay, so I've chosen my theme file, and now I'm just going to click Install Now. So it says the theme was installed successfully. So I'm going to click Activate, and that will activate the theme. So right here, I have my theme, Voyager, and it's active on my website. So if I go back over to my website, I can see that the theme's been uploaded and it's active. I hope that this video helped you learn how to install WordPress theme manually onto your website. And if you want to see more videos, then subscribe and feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.